This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Forex Report with Scott Norse.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Premier Trade Forex Report. My name is Ivan Caesar, filling in for Scott Norse, and this is the news. The US dollar and Japanese yen remain the two underdogs in the Forex after the G7 statement failed to target weakness in either currency. While nobody was looking for finance ministers to call for a stronger dollar, some were expecting more attention on the weakness of the yen and the one-side carry trade bets. However, with the meeting now passed, most strategists expect that carry trades will carry on. We are certainly in agreement, but continue to urge caution on protecting the downside as extreme highs bring vulnerability. As for the greenback, it is obvious that G7 countries see a weaker U.S. currency as a key ingredient to fixing global imbalances. We believe this will keep pressure on the dollar in the big picture as fundamentals continue to weaken, giving traders every excuse to sell the currency. As we move past the G7 communique, we see a very busy calendar in front of us that could provide traders with plenty of movement. Today's U.S. releases include retail sales, Empire Manufacturing, and TIC data. The only upside surprise we saw was in headline retail sales, which could be attributed to higher gasoline prices. Other numbers weren't awful, but a far cry from the optimism that seems to be oozing out of Wall Street. The manufacturer index saw a small bounce to 3.8, but remains very close to a two-year low. TIC data printed out only 58 billion versus the 75 billion expected, but comes after a monster 98.8 billion the prior month. We have a very busy 24 hours ahead of us from here, beginning with UK CPI, the Eurozone, and German ZEW surveys shortly after. The U.S. will also release CPI data and housing starts tomorrow morning. We suspect traders will use any rallies in the dollar that may come on the back of strong numbers to add to existing short positions for a larger move down. This has been the Forex Premier Trade Report. My name is Ivan Caesar. Have a good afternoon.